Hey guys, so if you're looking for a way how you can connect the Razer Barracuda to Xbox Series X. Now, when I checked here the compatibility, this is something that you can also check on the official site from Razer on how you can connect it. You see that it's only to PC, to PlayStation, to mobile devices, for PlayStation USB-A, USB-C. And now the problem is that this is something you can try to do. What you can try to do is that wirelessly is not going to work out. Now what you can try to do, you can use the headset with the Xbox. You just have to use a 3.5 audio jack connected to, for example, the controller. So try it out connected with the audio jack to the controller. And then there was this video from this guy how to connect any headsets to Xbox Series X and S, and there you just want to watch it. What kind of settings he did, and they do what he did in the video regards the settings for your Xbox Series S. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this quick video for you how it's possibly to be done, and have a great day and goodbye.